In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a domain on card.co. Before we start, there's one important requirement. Using a custom domain on card requires a pro plan, specifically pro standard or higher. If you're on the free plan, you can publish to a card subdomain, but custom domains won't be available until you upgrade. First, upgrade to pro, log into your card account and look for the upgrade option at the top of the dashboard. Choose the pro plan that suits your needs and complete the payment. Once the upgrade is active, you'll notice options related to custom domains appear when you go to publish a site. If you don't see them right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in to sync your account status. Next, prepare your domain. You can purchase a domain from any registrar, like GoDaddy or Namecheap, or use one you already own. Head to your domain provider's DNS settings or DNS manager, because that's where you'll point your domain to card. In card, you'll be shown the DNS values you need, typically a SNAME record for a subdomain like www or an A record for the root domain. A SNAME points your subdomain to a target provided by card, while an A record points your root domain to card's IP address. Make a note of the exact values card gives you and add them to your domain's DNS. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to propagate, sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours, though it's often much faster. Now connect your domain in card, open the site you want to publish, click publish and choose connect domain. Enter the domain exactly as you plan to use it, such as yourdomain.com or www.yourdomain.com. If you prefer the www version, set your DNS so that the root domain redirects to www or vice versa depending on your preference. The goal is to choose one primary URL for consistency. Finally, verify and publish. After entering your domain, publish the site. Card will check your DNS records and confirm the connection. If everything is set correctly, your site will go live on your custom domain. If you see an error, double check that you added the SNAME or A record exactly as provided, removed any old conflicting records, and gave DNS enough time to propagate. Once verified, Card will automatically issue an SSL certificate, so your site loads over HTTPS. Test your domain in a browser and you're done.